Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like trees?
No, I don't like trees.
Why not?
It's my general opinion.
No, but there should be a reason behind that. Why
Yes.
not?
I don't know.
All right. Who knows then?
I don't know either.
Okay, that's right. So who wants to take IELTS test? You or someone else?
Me.
You? So
Yes.
then you'll have to speak.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
And you'll have to give the reasons.
Okay.
So anyways, let's go on. Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea
Why?
because it gives me pleasure to drink tea, and I like tea because there is a caffeine in it, and I am a night owl, and I usually like to work at night because I am a freelancer, and I usually stick to my timetable in night.
All right. So that is why I prefer to drink tea. I mean,
Tea.
the main topic is tea,
Okay.
not the other stuff. Okay, let's go on. Do you prepare tea on your own or you ask one of your family members to make it for you?
I ask my mother to make a tea for
No,
me.
just give full answer.
Okay.
I usually ask my mother to make tea for me, especially when I'm working. She's very good at making tea and she makes my favorite like that.
Okay,
If you
okay.
want to take IELTS test, then you will
Okay.
have to talk like this.
Okay.
All right. So please answer again. Do you prefer to make tea on your own or you ask one of your family members to make tea for you?
I ask my mother to make my favorite tea because she knows how to make a tea for me
As per my taste.
as per my taste, because I usually like more sugar in a tea, so that's why I ask my mother to.
Okay, that's good. So in IELTS speaking, you have to talk like this.
Okay.
Don't say I don't know who knows and all that.
Okay, okay.
In 5-6 sentences, answer every question.
Okay.
Overall, your English is good.
ठीक है,
Right? Thank you.